Year 8 Linear Equation Exam Practice Question 16. Solve the equations. So the first thing we need to think about here with this first one, we've got 4 and then brackets, 4y plus 5. Take away 4 is equal to 6 in brackets, 3y minus 3 plus 20. I would like to get rid of our brackets. So we're going to expand. That means we've got 4 times 4y. And we've got 4 times 5. So likewise on the second part, we've got 6 times 3y, and we've got 6 times negative 3. So let's just quickly solve that part. So that means we've got 4 times 4y, which is 16. 16y. And then I've got 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, and we're taking away 4. And that is equal to 6 times 3y, 6, 12, 18, so 18y. And likewise, we've got 6 times negative 3, 6, 12, 18, so we've got negative 18. And we've got plus 20. So I can straight away simplify this by looking at my constants. So that means I've got 16y, and I've got 20 take away 4 equals 16. So I'm adding 16. And that is equal to, I've got 18y on my right hand side. And negative 18 plus 20 is just plus 2. So the next thing I need to think about is I want to get my variables on one side. So straight away I am just going to take away 16y to both sides. If I take away 16y to both sides, I am left with just 16 on my left. 18y take away 16y is 2y. And I've got plus 2. Likewise, I'm wanting to get my constants on one side, so I'm just going to take away 2 onto both sides. That leaves me with 14 is equal to 2y. I need to halve, because of the opposite of times is divide, and I need to get y by itself. So that it equals 2y divided by 2 is y, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. The same thing applies on my next equation, which is 2 in brackets 3x minus 5 plus 16 equals 3 plus 5 in brackets 2x minus 5. So I need to expand the bracket, which means 2 must times with the 3x, and it must times with negative 5, and the 5 must times with 2x, and it also must times with negative 5. So 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Plus 16. Well, I know it's equal to 3, and then I've got 5 times 2x is 10x. So plus 10x. And 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. So I'm going to simplify that and add my constants together. So that is going to give me 6x, negative 10 plus 16 is just plus 6, is equal to, and I've got 3 plus negative 25, so 3 take away negative 25 gives me negative 22 plus 10x. Okay, so the next step that I need to do now is get my variable on one side and my constant on the other. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take away my 6x on both sides. So if I take away 6x on both sides, that leaves me with 6. and I'm left with negative 22 plus 4x, because 10x minus 6x is 4x. Likewise, I am wanting to get my constant onto one side, so I'm adding 22 on both sides, because the opposite of negative 22 is plus 22. So that gives me the equation of 28 is equal to 4x. Only thing I need to do now is work out, divide both sides by 4 to get x by itself. So 28 divided by 4 is 7. So x must equal 7.